What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy Bob. I'm out here, Cambodia. I gotta learn the name of the city, but well, it's not even a city. I'm in the middle of like nowhere, Cambodia, like for real. But I'm here checking on my buddy's Ed's chicken farm he established here. Just started a couple weeks ago, and he's got a contract with Cambodians, and starting chicken farm, gonna sell chickens and see where it goes. So I'm just here on adventure, help my battle buddy out with some support, and you get to say hi to everybody. So let's go over here and take a look. I'm like some morning breakfast is getting cooked. Hello, good morning, sir. Oh, man. Yes.
Well,
Oh, a big guy. He says I'm a big guy. I'm a friendly man. Hey, look, the family is here. How you doing, man? Over there? Okay. All right. And he did a lot of buildings since I left. They fixed up a lot of stuff since I left here before. Hello. Wow, look at this. This was not here before. Wow.
bathroom, man.
Wow. Wow.
Bob said, wow.
Dude, I was here like I was here like a month ago.
That's why Joy is here, so these people are working, man. We gotta get stuff done.
Wow. Wow. They built this quick. I mean, it's impressive.
No more tiền.
One more.
More tiền.
You gotta put some money in there, man, to bless the farm so we get a lot of money coming.
Hey, don't take her shoe.
No shoes.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
You gonna use the bathroom before you go.
When mom come, you have to play.
When who come?
Mom.
Oh, your mom?
Mom.
Monk, okay.
Mình tao lúc một đó chúng mình ai. Ôi, cái đâu là lớp bàn.
Yeah.
Want to take picture with you?
Yeah, okay, we're gonna take a picture.